Hello and welcome to another introduction to engineering design video. Today we are showing you a project by an engineering design team which probably can be a novel idea, especially for those who are filmmakers. So usually what happens that when we are doing a live streaming through a studio, we have to use multiple cameras and the switchers. These professional switchers and cameras are very expensive and could cost us thousands and thousands of dollars. So this team has come up with another brilliant idea where the price of the whole setup can be reduced to maybe 1 over 100 times and also still provide you the same facility. So I would like to ask now our student Raed to explain the project.
Hello everyone, I'm Raid from Team 2, UX Design 2. Our project here is a webcam based camera switcher that can be switched between webcam streams by a click of a buttons. Actually, the main benefit from our project here, it is a very cheap alternative to the higher end camera switcher in the market. And the way it operates here, you can see we are using the Jetson Nano here as a single board computer and processing unit, and we can here switch between the camera streams in these switches. Also, it can hold up to 4 cameras at the same time and switch between them instantly. Additionally, we have added a voice to the stream, and it can be also streamed through the HDMI cable right now.
Okay, so what I understand from here that these webcams, which are 2K webcams from ANKER,
Yes,
you are using them as the cameras. So they can be actually used in a studio where you have multiple talents which you want to show. So one camera is focusing on one of the students, and we can see that now because of the switcher, this is going live. It is working as a webcam. And once you switch to the other one, it can actually show me I'm doing the recording, so it can show me. So like this, this switcher can actually have 4 multi-disc cameras, and they can be switched from this one. So in this way, the output of this Nano device or this switcher device is basically going into the computer through this small capture card, which converts into a camera stream, which can be used just as a webcam and can be streamed on YouTube, can be streamed on Zoom and any other application which we want to. Now, Raed, please tell us about the price of this project.
actually, the price of our project cost us around 2,000 riyal.
2000 Riyal?
Yes, and actually that means it's way cheaper than the alternatives, which can be cost than the USB based alternative. It's around 7,000 riyal minimum.
Minimum.
Yes.
And this 2000 Riyal also includes the webcams.
Yes,
But
for sure.
if you have this product in the market, probably you will not be selling this webcam. You will not be selling the cameras. Basically, you will be only selling this particular device. Yes.
Only
And
unit.
this device can be much cheaper even if you remove the prices of these cameras. So the user can actually connect as many cameras they like, and these cameras can be actually connected to a tripod. You can see there is a thread down here which can be connected on a tripod, and it can be used as a professional camera for our recording. What about the sound? Can we connect a sound?
Yes, for sure.
Moreover, we can see here there is a USB based microphone. So we do not actually want each camera to pick up the audio, because this can create some sort of delays, and also multiple audio sources create echo. So these cameras also have their own audio system, but to disable that, we will just take the video feed from these cameras, and then we have one single mic. This is USB based mic. You can see it is on with a blue light right now, and it has been actually connected. If I could show you the back of this, so it is already, you can see, connected to the system. And now this can be taken as just as a single source. So in an interview environment, one mic can be actually put or placed in between 3 or 4 participants, and this audio can be taken out from here. So this is actually a completely professional system which actually can be marketized. So do you think that if some professional organizations support you, how can you build this one to make it a reality and can be sold in a market as a device?
Actually, it is a very easy process, but first of all, you have to figure out how to get the parts in the bulk quantities, so you can reduce the price of the building of the product. Then you can make a great profit from it when you are selling it. First of all, the main processing unit here is a Jetson Nano. We have used the Jetson Nano because it's very powerful when processing any image-based informations. Also, you can contact NVidia itself and figure out a solution to it, because the Jetson Nano, it's a single board computer and have a lot of peripheral that we might not use here, or we will not need it in the future either. So we can contact NVIDIA itself, and we can get the chip itself and build around it a PCB to connect the chip to it and make a single device with a lower price.
So you are saying that instead of having the complete board,
Yes.
you can only get the processors and create your own PCB circuit board,
Yes,
and then even reduce the price cheaper.
for sure.
Okay, and if you have to start the business or product or project,
Yes.
can you estimate some sort of cost? How much cost will it require to start from the base, and what improvements actually you can do?
Okay. For the cost, actually, it can be reduced for the processing unit by almost a half, because we are using just the processing unit. But here we have a lot of peripherals, and it's focused more through to the AI and deep learning and computer vision, and that's not what we are need. We can make our chip to our needs to handle just the video streams and the audio streams and convert it to the HDMI. So I think we can go to 400 Riyal a unit just for the computer itself. For future,
So you are saying 400 Riyal.
yes,
And
almost.
if we go to the market and find the least priced switcher, which is from Blackmagic company, Blackmagic switcher, ATEM Mini,
Yes,
it is at least, at minimum, it is costing 1200 Riyal.
for sure.
Yes, so
Yes.
this is almost 4 times less, and it is much more convenient. How about how long it can work? I mean, can it go for 1, 2, 3, 4 hours? Is it getting hot or
Actually, forever it can go.
no? Forever, eh?
No,
a
it's
problem.
not getting hot because we are not using the full processing power of the unit itself.
And what I also see here, probably future improvements, can be some screen types can be added on the top of this, which can actually show us which camera is live, which is not, adding some more visibility for the user, for the customer, as in case of other switches available in the market.
Yes, actually, that's for sure that we can use some indicators or even screen, and also we can make this attached with the screen.
Touch screen.
Yes, instead of the push buttons, as you can see here, just we make it for demonstration purposes as a prototype to prove the concept of the switching. And furthermore, it's just an electrical signal. You can convert it to anything you want.
Thank you very much, Raid, and
You're
thank you
welcome.
for presenting, and well done for this wonderful project.
Thank you,
And we
Doctor.
will hope that you get some sort of funding for this particular
Inshallah.
project,
Inshallah.
and we will be able to even further enhance this one. Thank you very much.
Inshallah. Thank you very much for having me. Thank you, Doctor.